buyag ng bata. Ay, kabuyag bayaan ng aping anang hindi na pa. Ay, say bye-bye everyone! Anong oras na ba guys? Parang pa 12 na ata. Alis kami. Happy Sunday! Ang cute niya kapag gumagaling siya. Happy Sunday everyone! Punta tayong baby bunting. Bilhin na natin itong... actually, yung bibilhin namin is booster seat ni Ayla. Kasi meron na kaming car seat for Indy. So, ito yun. Yung car seat na yan, yan yung lumang car seat namin. Tapos, pwede yan from newborn to 4 years ata yan. So, Indy can have that. Because that's still in perfect condition. What we need to buy is a booster seat for Ayla. Hello!
Hello guys! Toilet!
Para magkasya. Kasi itong malaki to kaysa sa capsule niya. And booster seat mas slim, mas maliit. So magkakasya pa din yung tatlo. Sa second seat.
Heels.
Where is Indy's car seat?
Heels.
No, you're not wearing heels. We will be walking. Is her car seat still in the car?
Please.
Indy's. Where's your car seat? Okay.
Alright
guys, go to Dada.
Good
job, Mama. Hmm? I won't leave you, of course not. I'm gonna put this girl in her capsule. Okay?
Just like this. Yeah, I'm okay.
1, 2.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. Nom 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 nom. You hungry? It's okay, babe. It's gonna be a short drive. I know. Okay pa naman tong capsule, pero dapat talaga mag-move on na siya. Move on ka na sa life, Ben. Okay, Ben? Daddy will get you. I need to pee.
How many minutes?
Wapo ng asawa ko. Ito yung binili natin na ano. Adidas top. Okay na bagay sa kanya. Kasya-kasya din. I'm using my phone now, guys. As in, magdamag ako ng walang phone. Nanibago ako. Sabi ko, my gosh, okay lang naman walang phone. Pero sana, alam ko ba in advance? Kasi as in, wala akong phone service. Pero ang dami kong nagawa kagabi. My goodness, ang dami kong nagawa kagabi. Kasi wala akong phone. So, ino-occupy ko yung sarili ko. Naka-edit ako ng vlog kagabi. Tinupi ko lahat ng laundry ko kagabi. Then, pinut away. Pinalitan ko yung bedsheet namin. Tapos gabi na yun ha. Gabi na ako nag-start. Kaninang umaga ko na siya na natapos.
Hello, Lola.
Aww.
Hello, Lola.
Nag-uusap-usap kami kanina. Nakikinig lang naman yan yung mga bata.
Hello, Lola.
Pinaplano namin yung araw namin today at saka bukas. Yeah, good job. Lola's not here though. Are you talking to Lola on the camera?
School's out
Yeah,
ahead.
she watches our videos.
Does she?
Yeah. All our vlogs. Hi, Yoya.
Hey, Lola.
Anna,
Lift it up.
lift it up here.
Hi, Mr. Lola.
Mr. Yoya.
I can see you, Bum Bum.
So anyway, nag-uusap-usap kami. Titingin-tingin kami ng mga pupuntahan bukas. Tapos nag-uusap-usap lang kami ni Dan. Book natin to. Kumusta yung weather bukas? Ganon-ganon. Ay, uulan bukas. I last like, we should just go to the Philippines tomorrow. It's always hot
And
there.
there's like poop on the toilet.
Okay.
Yes, and the poop is on face.
Oh, I need Christian's details.
I think he might be away. I think he's carrying
He
well.
is?
We're on Madrid the week.
I need to submit it. So I'll just
It's a weekend, yeah.
Yeah, yung passport ko pala. Kailangan ko ng referee. Tapos sabi niya yung best friend niya daw. Kasi kailangan Australian citizen tapos hindi related sa akin. Hindi ko pa nasasubmit yung passport ko, guys. Kapag nag-uusap-usap ng mga travel, nare-remind ako. Wala akong passport. Well, you know what? I'll just ask Manay. John. Just in case there's something to sign, at least John's gonna be here, you know?
Dan. Ram Dan.
Why does it sticky fin?
Big one for Ram.
Hey.
Mom,
Yes.
in this book, all words are going to be 6.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, no, I'm going to be 7.
Eight. Eight.
Blue one.
You wanna sit in the blue one?
Yeah.
This is the one I'm looking at online. Kasi yung wings niya, hindi matigas. So, pwede mo siya ma-fold.
I want the blue one. A pink one.
And hindi din siya ganun kalaki. Oh, it's the slimmest.
Blue, pink, blue,
That's the
pink,
slimmest?
blue.
Yeah, well, it looks like it. Look.
Is it slimmest or
It is, the base is.
about the whole lot?
Dito kami guys sa Family Mart. Sa Korean shop. Kami lang ni Ayla yung bumaba. Tapos na kami sa Baby Bunting. Puntok sa inyo mamaya. So, meron na akong ramo ni Jan. Gamit ko yung phone ko kasi na-full man yung aking camera. Sa dami nating clip sa birthday ng ating Inday. Wait. What's that? Oh, Oreo flavored something. What if you don't like it? And it's so big. Masarap ba to? Do you wanna try? How much is it? Dang, $10.50. Nah. Do you want it? Okay, sige. Kailangan natin ng beef. Meron na kaming ano eh. Ano ba to? Meron na kaming pork dun sa bahay. Beef for daddy.
No space here for you.
Dito pala kami sa Coco. Napunta na sa Coco. Malapit lang to dun sa Family Mart. Sabi ko, dito sa babaeng to, no. Nag-yes man.
I'm gonna try and get the carpet in first.
Charing. Where's the guys? Okay. Hi guys, we're home. So, nagpunta kami ng Baby Bunting and then nag-Family Mart. And then nag-Coco. And now we're back home. Sa Baby Bunting, ito yung nabili namin. Shoes. Charing! Diba? Sa Baby Bunting talaga bumili. Nagpunta na kay Mart kahapon. Ang cute mo, be. Pina-try naman sa kanya. Ang cute. Kasya naman. And then sa Family Mart, bumili kami nito. Kasi ito yung ulam namin mamaya, guys. Mag-Korean barbecue tayo. Lettuce. Gusto nga ni Dan mag-Q&A pero hindi pa ako nakapost. Kasi yung iniisip ko, yung car seat. Bumili kami yung dalawa nito. Kinain na ng mga bata. Beef for Danny Boy. Buy one take one yung kanilang mushroom. So, gusto kong yung i-wrap lang yung beef sa mushroom. Sarap mo. Oy! And then, dalawang ramune. And, bumili ako na to. Yung pancake na masarap. From the Korean shop. And then, these as well. So, I got green apple 8 and watermelon 8 for me. Yung green apple para kay daddy. Yun lang. Lagay natin ito muna, babe. Tapos patulugin ko sa Indy. Tapos balik akong Baby Bunting, guys. Balik akong Baby Bunting. Are you coming with me, ate?
No.
You don't want to go back to the Baby Bunting? And then we'll go to the shops, you and me. So, tatanggalin ni Dan yung car seat ni Indy. Like, yung buong car seat talaga. Hindi lang yung capsule. And then, I will go back to Baby Bunting and check the slimmer one. Kasi nga, yung meron kami na pinakita ko sa inyo, very bulky. Yung Be First na Britax. Very bulky. So, meron silang slimmer na option dun. But, I think it's still big. I don't think magkakasya siya like tatlo across. So, yung option is yung slimmer na car seat nga for Indy. So, palitan namin yung Be First namin. Yung slimmer one. And hopefully magkasya. Kung hindi magkasya, dalawang car seats yung papalitan namin. Papalitan namin yung kay Ayla. At saka yung kay Indy nga. Wala na talaga. Grabe, ang dami-dami na namin gasto sa car seat. Kasi yung mga car seats namin, yung mga ganun nga, yung Be First, pinalitan namin ng maxi guard ngayon para magkasya silang tatlo across. Now, ay, baka palitan na naman natin. Ano ba yan? Palit lang ng palit. Limited yarns. May good news daw siya sa akin. Wala na yung car seat. Feeling ko nagkasya. Wait, sa baby, any shoes? Ay, feeling ko nagkasya. It fit. It fit really well as well.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. See, it's all done. It's all installed.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
And then, yeah.
Oh, that's good.
You lost a bit of room at the front.
Oh, that's fine. Can you move this back at all? Or not anymore?
When your seat goes back, that's what goes...
Hmm?
So when your seat goes back,
Oh,
it shuts,
that's fine.
Goes back down.
Yeah. This is the farthest it can go, yeah? No, yes. That's alright. That's good. Oh, that's good. That's way better for Indy. This is a massive car seat as well. That's good. Perfect. So this is all done? It's all... Okay.
Just,
Yeah, I know. Nilagay ko yung insert, guys. Ayan. So, mas secure na si Inday dyan. Alis kami ng Inday ko. Kami lang dalawa. Apaka-sexy kong Inday. That top is from Ate Holly again. Set yan. Short yung kapartner yan. Pero sabi ko mag-ano ka skirt. Let's go. Alis kami, guys. Punta kami.
Hey, Johnny.
PTP. Go, go, go. Nasa labas yung car ko.
Everything is from Holly.
Ay, talaga naman.
Mom.
Ha?
Coins.
Oh, coins. Oh, shoot. We need to get it from Daddy's car. I've got coins, but it's not gold. Is that okay?
I need gold.
Oh, where are you using it?
It's in a money machine.
Where's the money machine?
Like
We'll just
it's
use my
like-
card.
So,
Can we just use my card? Yeah. Kailangan ko pa siyang i-bribe para samahan ako. Yes?
do you know in China there's all different monies in China?
Yeah, yeah. China's got different currency.
And all other countries, they have different money.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Philippines has pesos.
Yeah, pesos.
Yeah.
Do you still have pesos?
Yeah, I've got pesos. Yeah.
Where?
In my stash. Where are we going? That way or which way? I'm trying to think. Which way should we go? This way.
Why do you want to go this way?
I don't know. I'm just trying to think. Punta tayong TTP.
Mommy, I really want to get a toy.
Do you?
Yeah, maybe we should get two, one for Anna, one for me.
Okay. I want to go to Maya, look for Daddy's jocks, Daddy Nate's jocks. So, nung nagpunta kami ng Harbour Town, tumingin naman ako, guys. Wala lang akong nakita, nahanap na jocks for Daddy. So, punta tayong Maya, tingin tayo dun. And then, kailangan ko din talaga pumunta ng Chemist Warehouse because I need my iron supplement. So, I'm taking iron supplement, guys. Hindi matutuloy yung Q&A natin. Alam nyo bang, ang tagal na gusto ni Dan mag Q&A, guys. Hindi lang talaga namin ma-insert kasi yung weekends namin, it's always busy. Always busy. So ngayon, gusto niya sana. Busy kami kanina sa car seat. Tapos na-stress pa kami. Na-stress talaga ako sa car seat, guys. Kasi sabi ni Dan, yeah, we will sort it out this weekend. Ngayon na yung last day ng weekend kasi bukas close ang mga shops because holiday bukas. Like, yeah, wala siyang work bukas but di kami makapunta ng baby bunting if we do need to buy new car seat. Alam mo yun, so sabi ko talaga sa kanya kahapon ng gabi, we have to sort it out tomorrow. So ngayon. And yeah, na-stress na ako. But na-stress lang ako for no reason because it fits. Daddy made it fit. You're comfy there, are you, baby? Yeah. Sabi ko, yeah, malaki yung car natin. Kaya nga ito yung pinili natin kasi it will fit 3 car seats comfortably. Tapos kapag chinek mo kasi yung mga dimensions and all that, sabi nila hindi daw magkakasya. Tapos yung babae din dun sa baby bunting kanina, sabi niya, yeah, be first is bulky. Ganon siya. Be first yan yung car seat Indian ngayon. Yeah, bulky yun. So inisip ko, shoot, kapag hindi magkasya yung be first, kailangan kong bumili ng mas maliit. Yes, baby?
What's the rocket earring you park in your belly button?
Sorry?
What's the earring you park in your belly button?
What's the what?
Earring parks in your belly button.
Earring?
Yeah.
Oh!
School zone ahead.
It's a belly button piercing. Some people have it. Where did you see it?
When Indy was trying to get her ears pierced for the first time.
Who did?
When Indy got her ears pierced,
Yeah.
I saw a bigger why they got her ears pierced in her tummy.
You got you saw a photo or an adult? A photo. Yeah. So some people
Have Indian eyes too.
Yeah, that's right. So they have it on their nose, some have it on the bellies. Yeah.
But when did you get it? When do you get it?
You don't have to get it. But if you really want to get it, when you turn 18, you can decide if you want to get it. It's a lot of work.
Or 19
You have to-
or 20.
Sorry?
Or 19 or 20.
Or 19 or 20, yeah. If you turn 19 and 20 and you want to get it, I don't have a problem with it as long as you know how to take care of it.
Will it hurt?
It will hurt, yes. Do you like the look of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, they do look nice.
Well, you need to be a grown-up or a teenager.
Exactly. Not a teenager. You have to be, 19. Teenager, yeah. 19.
Or 20.
Or 20, yes.
But 20 is a really young grown-up number.
That's right. I don't think you will like it. I personally don't like it for myself. Because I don't like it. I like my belly button plain and simple.
Where are we going first?
We're going to T3 Plaza.
Right. The toy shop. So we get a car and we scan.
Yeah, they have a lot of shops there. They have all the shops there. It's a big mall.
What? Can you just get the card and wait right there?
Sorry? Yeah, we can use my card. Dito kami sa Rebel, guys. Ito na yung last shop. Tapos alis na tayo. Kanina pa kami dito. Nagbanding-banding lang kami ng aking inday. Meron kami nabili na. Jacks ni Daddy. Yung mga kailangan ko sa Chemist Warehouse. Let's check natin kung merong mga nakasale. Hindi na nila kailangan ng damit eh. Pero ako gusto ko sanang mag-check ng ano. Yung hinahanap ko sa Harbor Town. Yung tracksuit na. Tracksuit. Wala man. Pero dapat galing sa kids kasi yung adult ang laki sa akin. Ay, ang cute naman nito. Look at this boy. So, yung mga ganyan ba? Mga ganyang tracksuit. Baka meron ditong kasya sa akin. Pang lalaki man yan.
What
Ha?
happened to his arm?
Oh, what happened to your arm, boy? You ask him. We are home. Diretso sa kusina. Mag-ano kami. Korean barbecue. Pero yung gagawin ko, lulutuin ko na yung pork at saka yung beef. Sure. Ang cute mo, B. Ang ganda ng outfit ng ating Indy today pala. Nakita nyo ba? Oh, naka-shorts yan. Oh, wow! Laki na ng bibi ko na yan. Eh? Laki na yung bibi ko na yan. So, dumating kami. So, pagkadating namin, sabi ni Dan, she just woke up 5 minutes ago. So, ang bait mo kay Daddy. Natulog ka the whole time while wala si Mama. Eh, parang big girl oh, yung Indy ko. Oh my gosh, look at you! Ang dutag outfit ako diya! T-shirt ng shorts! Grabe na akong yung bigot! The t-shirt na ako shorts! Big girl na din na dihay! What do you want? Mommy needs to prepare dinner. D, yeah, D. You want snack? D. Go to Daddy, go. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Alright, I'm back again. Dinistract ko lang ang aking anak kasi ayaw na naman akong bitawan. Alright. So, ito lahat ng pork. Maliit lang yung aking pork. Tapos, kay Dan, at saka yung i-wrap ko dito, beef. So, sana pala, hindi ko ito nilagay sa freezer. Nilagay ko siya sa freezer kanina. But that's okay, yeah. That's okay, yeah. So, lulutuin ko na to, guys. Hindi na kami mag-barbecue dun. Tapos, i-prepare ko to. And then, we have kimchi. Gusto ko sana yung squid. Wala na sila. Yung masarap na squid. Sana wala na sila. You got your milk tea, baby? Alright, come on, Alo. Kids are having pasta. And ito ang aming dinner. Ayan. Ay, yung ano pala. Seaweed. What?
So what's this one here?
That's just beef and enoki mushroom.
Okay, could you wrap it up?
Yeah. Ito lang yung rice ko. Oh, good.
Can I have yours?
Eat your food first. I'll get your rice.
I'll careful on hold. Dad, how would you wrap it around? My mama wants to do it for that.
Well, turn your fork like that, yep.
I'm doing it, but when I drop it in the tin, that's too much. Yes,
I'll put down your sword, please.
Can we cut noodles? I like, I just see
Like that.
here. I have an idea. Mine is stronger.
Put that in your mouth, Ali. Put that bit in your mouth. Good boy.
Good job. Can we turn this off? Whatever you
I'll
want.
turn it off.
That's too
Having
much.
dinner. Daddy, she's doing it, Daddy. Good job.
What's the news?
Wrong channel, that's Nickelodeon. That's right, Princess.
I'm not a princess. Dad, the news is on.
This is Isla.
Dad, the news is on.
Okay.
Yes. We found the news.
Don't think this is the news.
Kapag
Wait.
nagaganito kami, naalala niyo yung Q&A? Sinasabi ko kagabi, ito yung ulam namin, sabi niya mag-Q&A tayo.
Dad.
Ang hirap.
Dad. Where's this button?
I don't know.
What button do you press button is? They're trying to put me in the house. My legs will turn long. Dad, you should look at me. What's what you do? I'm eating, Mama. I'm eating.
Good job, guys.
Making a mess.
That's okay. We'll go straight to the shower.
After this, we're going to have Skittles.
There's no Skittles left.
What?
There's no Skittles left.
I eat them more.
I'll have the last
I
bit.
eat more.
You
I
went.
just want Skittles.
You went with Mummy today. So I was going to go with Mummy, so don't give me that.
I find
Two like old school like real estate agents, like two most famous guys. Guy doing like a day or two of each other.
Awake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future